In this video, we will fix asset validation failed issue if you are creating an iOS build from Unity. It's a quick fix and we're gonna cover under 1 minute. For the first step, we are assuming all the settings are for the release version inside Unity. After creating an Xcode project from the target list, select Unity Framework. Open the Build Setting tab and click here to search Swift. Look for Always Embed Swift Standard Library setting and change its value to no. And now test again by creating archive of the project. Select Distribute App. Select App Store Connect and click on Distribute. But in my case, I'm going to just use Validate App. I have already uploaded the app, so for testing, I will just validate. This quick setting fixed issue on my side, and do let me know in the comments if you had similar issue and you were able to fix it using this setting. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. I see you in the next video. Take care and peace.